Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
National President jong ka National People's Party ubalong ru Menteri Rangba ka Jylla Meghalaya Conrad kongkal Sangma habakren bat kilat pathai khubor menta ka sngi ka artari ku jemmang halor ka Jinglip Bording kha katanat Bording ulong kumbalayo I ba menta usnem arjar arpulai ulong usnem uba bunkam namar ki election kalong menta usnem bat nakadaw ka election bat ki wei pat ki kam ni klem don nya kerukom ne ki kindon man Jinglip Bording ka babiang namar kumbalayo I ha usnem bala dem nado ubnai kelalingkot hado ubnai yayong kaladon ka Jinglip Bording ka bane deki ar hado lai kenta nakataka daw ngi klem yo I ka jingbon ne ka jingklan ka Bording ha uwe ubnai henry ha ni usnem ubamenta pan ngi klem la ban le kumta henry la yo I ka Jingduna ka jingsam Bording shiteng jong ubnai yayong badula ongru baka daw hi kalong bakari baro ka wei ka dan hapdeng ka jinghiran Bording ha ka bagila don ki jaka ki bayo kambon ka Bording donru ki bayo kamduna henry ne kaliang ka sarkar ha ka bayo dei bat ka tanat Bording jongka ka don kam ye ka jingyaram bat dei ne kata ka daw basala ban penbiang ye ki jingdon kam kumbalong menta labenrap u Conrad Sangma Sheshu hagni ka ski na kaliang Conrad Sangma ulaong ba nakadaw ka Jingduna ka jingjor uslam badru ka jingrem ka Bording hadin ka jingtemu ban thit ni kiwai pat ka Jylla kala penlong ye ka Jylla Meghalaya ban mat ye ka jinge ha ka bayadei bat ka Bording.
Well, the load shedding, as I said, we have to understand that this year specifically has been a much more complicated year for us. We had elections. And because of the election procedures, election commission and many other factors, we could not have the kind of scattered load shedding that we normally have. So we used to have 2-3 hours in the month of January, February, March, April, May. So it was staggered out and therefore we would not see the intensity in one particular month. But this particular year we could not do that. And hence we are seeing the load of all the last 3-4 months in this month of April, half of April and some part of May. That's number one. Number two, we are also seeing challenges because there is a power issue all throughout the country. We are facing, I think, in some areas it's lesser, some areas it's more, but we are having challenges throughout. And third, of course, MECL itself, we are having huge financial concerns in MECL, and hence as a government, we need to support them to a large extent, which we are supporting, and that's the reason why we've been able to at least maintain things to a certain level. But these challenges are huge, and hence the aspect of reformation within the MECL has also started, and we will see that through this year many reforms more will take place. But having said that, that is for the future. In the current situation, the only respite that we will get is once we see some kind of good rainfall that we can get, or once we're able to see that we're able to purchase the power at a slightly more reasonable rate. The rates are very high because of the overall shortage in supply at the national level also in different grids and different producers. So all these challenges are there. I hope that we will be able to move forward and be able to reduce things in the time to come as we see, as I said, the monsoon arriving. That will be the main solution for us for time being. But in the process, I just would like to appeal to the citizens that yes, I understand this is a tough time. Please do bear. It's a challenging time. We are working towards minimizing the discomfort that you're having by managing the timings of the different load sheddings in different areas based on the weather pattern. So we urge citizens to bear with the different challenges that we're facing. And let me also assure the citizens that this may be one of the most difficult times for the power sector. But as we move along, we will see in the coming months and years, the situation will not be as extreme as we are seeing in this month. And we'll see a vast improvement because there's a lot of work that's happening behind the scenes, and we'll see the results of that in the coming days. So post this phase, we don't expect such an extreme phase to come in the future.